Okay, now that you have both documents created and you know how to create a link between the two documents, the next thing I want to talk about is how to share your document with me. Okay, so we're on the first one, practice Googling. I'd like you to click on the share button. You're going to get the same box that we got when we were trying to get the link that we used to connect it. And when you get to this box, you have two options if you're trying to share your documents with people. If you're working on a team project of some sort and you want the group members to all have an equal contribution, then one way to do that is down here where it says people, you will put the email addresses of the people in your group. You'll make sure it says can edit, and then that way everybody can contribute their comments to a single document. You also have the option to create the document yourself, let other people see it and make comments on the document, but they can't change anything. You can also have an option where you create a document, you want people to look at it, but you don't want them to be able to make comments and you don't want them to be able to edit it. So those are your three options there. When you're submitting papers to me to grade, I am not going to have you use this bottom one, okay? I'm going to ask you to share a link with me. There will always be a form where you're going to submit the link through a form, and I'm going to show you how to do that now, okay? So you're going to use the top box with me. What you're going to do is you're going to make sure that this box right here says that I can edit it. Okay, if you notice, you have the same three options: can comment, can view, can edit. You need to make sure that I can edit it so that I'm able to make comments on your paper. I'm able to go in and see your revision history, which allows me to give you credit for all the work you've done. You cannot get a revision grade if I can't see the revision history, and the only way I can do that is if you give me editing privileges. Okay, so once you make sure it says can edit, you're going to click on this button where it says Get Shareable Link. Notice once again it says that the link was copied to the clipboard, so you're all set. So we're going to click Done. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to Schoology. If you notice in the FLC reference document section, there is a link that says Practice Googling Submission Form, and you're going to click on it. Okay, and it's going to take you to this form. It's very simple. Okay, so you're going to put your first name, Jane, your last name, Doe, period 2, and then the link to your assignment. Since you already have it copied to the clipboard, all you have to do is hit Command V, submit, and your paper has been turned in. And I'll be able to go in there, I'll be able to grade it. It tracks when you turned it in, it tracks exactly what you put in that box, and you should be all set.